In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel lower function along with some examples and important things to remember while using it. So let's get started. The lower function in Excel is used to convert text or string to all lowercase letters. Here is the syntax of the lower function. This function accepts only one argument, that is the text we want to convert to lowercase. For example, this lower formula will convert all the letters of this text to lowercase. We can also pass a cell reference to the lower function. For example, this lower formula will return the content of the cell B3 in lowercase. The lower function does not affect the numbers and punctuations. It simply converts a number to text and returns it. For example, this lower formula will return the number as text as is without any change. However, if the number is formatted, the lower function removes the formatting. For example, this cell has the number formatted as currency. If we apply the lower function to it, it will remove that formatting. Since the dates are also treated as numbers in Excel, the lower function removes the date formatting as well and returns the date serial number as text, as we can see from this lower formula. The lower function is useful in data formatting, data cleanup, data validation, and in other formulas like text replacement. In this Excel sheet, some of the names are in mixed case and some are in lowercase. We can convert all these names to lowercase using the lower function like this. As you can see, the text case is now consistent across all names in the column. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some names. I want to remove the Mr. name prefix from all the names. To do that, I am going to write a formula using the substitute function that will replace the prefix Mr. with an empty text like this. As you can see, the substitute function only removed the name prefix where the text case exactly match with the fine string we provided. The name prefixes having different text cases did not get replaced. To fix this, we can use the lower function to make the name and search string both in lowercase before the substitution like this. As you can see, all the name prefixes are now replaced with an empty string regardless of the text case. In this Excel sheet, I want to allow users to enter data only in lowercase. If the data is not entered in lowercase, I want to show a message. To do that, I am going to write a formula using the if and exit functions. The exit function returns true if and only if the arguments are exactly the same, including the case. In this formula, I am comparing the original text with the text converted to lowercase to check if they match exactly. If they do not, this validation message will be displayed asking them to enter the data in lowercase. As you can see, this formula prevents users from entering text that is not in lowercase. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.